The cap channel trading indicator is available for various platforms on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can download the indicator file for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms and run it on the chart. Refer to this page for indicator details. Select the indicator file and drag it onto the chart. Ensure Allow DLL Imports is activated in Common, then click Confirm. Select and drag the indicator file onto the chart. Enable Allow DLL Imports in Common, then click Confirm. A price channel will display. Just make sure to check the Allow DLL Imports option in the Common section, and then click the Confirm button. By clicking on the indicator on the chart, a price channel is displayed on the chart for us. The cap channel trading indicator is a practical tool for times when the market is ranging or in a sideways trend, as it can easily issue buy and sell signals. The middle line of this indicator is identified as the TMA or triangle moving average, while the upper and lower bands are considered the TMA deviations. When the price breaks above the upper band, a sell signal is issued, and when the price breaks below the lower band, a buy signal is issued in the settings. In the input section, there are options available for us. In the first section, you can choose the display settings, the team settings, or the custom template for the indicator, which has 3 options: light, dark, and custom. By selecting the light option, a light template is created on the object model, a template that is placed on my chart. By selecting the dark option, a dark template is applied to the chart, and by choosing the custom option, it retains your personalized template and only runs the indicator on the chart. In the next section, choose the indicator settings, adjust the TMA period, default at 5 and 6, to smooth or add fluctuations, then select the calculation type closing, opening, highest, lowest price, etc. Also, set the deviation bands, default at 1.618, to widen or narrow the band distance. Adjust these across instruments and timeframes. In the next section, you can select the calculation type, which is based on the price structure, and you can select the closing price, opening price, highest price, lowest price, and other options. Select deviation bands. Default 1.618. Increasing widens distance between bands. Decreasing reduces distance. Enable, disable alerts. Select true to get alerts when price exits bands. Add 2 filters. Set true for alerts when price exits bands before closing. Set false for alerts when price closes above, inside, or below channel. In the next section, you can enable or disable the status of sending alerts. By selecting the true option, alerts will be sent to you when the price breaks the upper or lower band. In the next 2 sections, you can add 2 filters. By selecting this option and setting it to true, you will receive an alert when the price exits either the upper or lower band while it is still ongoing and hasn't closed yet. If it is set to false, you will receive an alert when the price closes, whether above the channel, inside the channel, or below the channel. In the last part, you can choose the number of candles to display the channel, which is set to 500 by default. This means it will display the last 500 candles back from the most recent price candle. Here, I will select the dark template and set this value to 1000 candles, and then I will click Confirm. By setting it to true, you will only receive an alert when the price closes above or below the channel. In the last section, you can choose the number of candles to display the channel, which is set to 500 by default. This means it will display the last 500 candles back from the most recent price candle. Here, I'm selecting the dark template and setting this value to 1000 candles, and then I'll click Confirm. So here, we see that my template changed to a dark color, and the number of candles to display changed to 1000 candles. For me, we've reached the end of this guide. Leave your comments and suggestions below. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.